What's up everybody, Automob Media here, and in today's video, I'm installing an F1 style light on my 2019 Subaru WRX. We've got a few simple tools here, our ratchet, pry tool, and X-Acto knife. First things first is getting these pesky clips out, and then remove the plastic trim and leave it to the side. There will also be some clips in the trunk liner, which you'll have to remove in order to access the rear taillights. I'd recommend doing the passenger side light as it's easier to wire it up. I'm going to remove a few of the clips holding the back bumper to the car. That way I can flex it a little bit and remove the other plastic trim where the light is going to go. First clip I ended up snapping, as you could hear there. Sometimes these things can get brittle, so try to take some extra care if you don't want to replace these little things. Alright, now that those 4 clips are out, we're going to flex the bumper a little bit so I can remove this little placeholder piece. Setting up some of this hardware for later, and then we're going to move to the trunk again and remove the trunk lining so that I can get access to the passenger taillight. There's 3 or 4 clips that are holding the trunk liner in, so quickly remove those. Put it to the side, and you'll have access to the wiring for the tail light. To make things a little less complicated, I went and grabbed the quick connect harness for this light, so it's as easy as clicking it into the tail light and routing the wire through the rear of the car down to the diffuser. There's a little rubber grommet sealing up a hole in the back bumper. I'd suggest taking this out and slicing a little hole in it so that the wire can fit through and you can reseal that hole with the grommet. Now that the wires are set up, I'm just installing the bracket so that the light can be secured inside the diffuser. Now for the trunk liner and the trim pieces to go back in place, and we're all set. All finished securing the light in there. Let's take a look at it. I've also decided to change out the shift knob, as this one's looking a little dated. The shiny part of the plastic is worn off, the leather's starting to wear off as well, so we went ahead and replaced it with an AMS carbon shift knob, and obviously super easy to install. Just going to twist off the old one and twist on the new one. The new shifter has an increased weight over the stock one, and the benefit of that is just being able to get it into gear without as much effort. As you can tell, it goes into gear with ease. Really enjoy the look of it as well. That carbon weave is oh so nice. But anyways, that'll do it for this video. If you enjoy this type of content, leave a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.